There once lived a river along the Indus Valley, and the river's name was Saraswati. And when the Saraswati River dried up thousands of years ago, she did not die, but she wound her way into each of your hearts and souls to live as the river of inspiration. The goddess of all knowledge, language and art, music, speech, dance, and song. So remember this. Remember this that you already know. Your disappointments, sorrows, and anger, they come and go. But she is always there, Saraswati, waiting for you to sit by her side. Let me put this another way. Is the grape disappointed when an early frost comes and it dies on the vine? Is the apple mad when a fungus comes and it rots on the tree? Is the robin scared when by human touch her nest, not yet filled with eggs, is moved to higher ground for her own safety? Or does each know they're part of a plan, a vine, an orchard, and that there are many branches on which nests can lie? So when wrestled by the variance of your days, lay the cloth of flagellation down and trust that like hands moving robin's nest out of harm's way, trust that there are hands to help you build your nest, hands to help you soothe your way, and that not a blade of grass moves without the will of what some call God. Godliva. Godliva is the name of a saint. Godliva is also the name of a friend of mine. We call her Liva, leave. I once asked her, what does leave mean? She said in her language it meant beloved, sweet. So if leave means beloved, sweet, then believe means we are being the beloved, and in relief, the beloved and sweetness returns. My friend Liva is like a butterfly and angel all wrapped in one, with delicate wings to strum the strings for the stars to shine. She used to say, it's easier to soar when you know you're part of a plan. So broken wings? Not at all. 1,000 suns shines from you, even in darkness. Warmth melts the veil, fragmentation shatters. In its place, the river. The thirst of millions runs and is soothed, because you are the stream they drink from. You are the sun that lights their way. Saraswati Devi Namaha. Om Aim Shrim Harim. Saraswati Devi Namaha. Listen, listen, listen to the story encoded in your soul. Listen to the story, pulsing waves. Listen to the story, beating in your heart. Listen, listen, listen.